Journaling 15 minutes per day reduces stress by 28% in 6 weeks. Here's how to start, even if you have nothing to write. Externalizing thoughts reduces rumination. Brain stops looping on worries. Gratitude journaling increases dopamine and long-term happiness scores. Problem solving improves when written. Distance from the problem creates clarity. Brain dump. Write everything on your mind for 10 minutes. No structure needed. Gratitude journal. 3 things you're grateful for. 3 things that would make today great. Reflection. What happened today? What I learned? What I'd do differently. Attached to existing habit. After morning coffee, I write for 10 minutes. Keep journal visible. Out of the drawer, on the desk. Start with 5 minutes. Perfection is the enemy of starting. Describe your surroundings in detail. Grounds you in present moment. Complete the prompt. Today I noticed. Or one thing I want less of is. Write a letter to your future self about what you hope changes. Get my guided gratitude journal at https://www.etsy.com/shop/emoflowco. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.